Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best method to manage high volume payments on Cash App. Alright, so the best method to manage high volume payments on Cash App is 1. Structured tracking, and 2. Controlled workflow. So use clear payment notes or reference codes for every transactions to identify customers, to identify orders or services quickly. Monitor your accounts daily to ensure payments are received correctly and that no unexpected activity appears. Transfer funds regularly to a linked bank account to reduce balance buildup and lower risk. Avoid sudden spikes in transaction volumes without explanation, as this can trigger account review. Keep all account information verified and up to date to handle increased activities smoothly. Organization and consistency are essential when handling frequent payments through Cash App. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.